Hey everyone, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV-MC. Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on your Kawasaki KRX 1000. Periodically changing the engine oil out on your side-by-side is one of those crucial maintenance items. That's because engine oil does break down over time. Eventually you can get some contaminants in there, especially after break-in. That's why you want to stay up on your oil change interval that's found in your owner's manual. So for break-in, you're going to do that at 20 hours or 120 miles, and then every 100 hours, 1,200 miles, or 6 months thereafter, whichever comes first. So this job, it's quick and simple. Let's go ahead and jump into it. To do this job, we're going to use an oil pan, funnel, torque wrench, 17mm socket. We have an oil filter wrench, safety glasses, rags, some rubber gloves. Then we have our oil change kit. This one is the Tusk oil change kit. Comes with the oil filter, crush washer, and your choice of oil. This oil selection is important. You do need something that is specifically for power sports. If you try to use an automotive style oil, it's not going to correctly protect your engine. And to help clean some things up, we're using some contact cleaner. The first thing we need to do is start our engine in a well ventilated area, let it idle for a minute, and then turn it off. Next, we'll place a drain pan directly below the engine and remove the drain bolt. And I just dropped that crush washer, just make sure you keep track of it. Next, we'll place a rag under the oil filter and remove it using our oil filter wrench. And when you remove this oil filter, make sure you tip it back because this will be full of oil. Next, we're going to clean the sealing surface for the new oil filter. And then we're actually going to use a torque wrench on our oil filter wrench and torque this down to 13 foot-pounds. Now back down to the drain bolt. We're going to wipe that sealing surface and make sure it's clean as well. And then for the crush washer, you want to remove the old crush washer from your drain bolt. Make sure this is clean. And then install your new crush washer. We'll install that back into the engine and torque it to 15 foot-pounds. Now we can remove our oil fill cap. We'll fill the engine with 3.1 liters of oil. We'll start the engine, let it run for a minute, shut it off, and once this is cooled down for a few minutes, we'll double check the oil level in the sight glass. If it's low, make sure you top it up to where it's about 3/4 full in the sight glass. And that's it for the oil change on the Kawasaki KRX 1000. If you need the oil change kit or any other parts for your machine, be sure to check out our website and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching.